What is going on, everybody? We are on our way to KetoCon 2019. Now, as you can see, we ditched the Camaro SS and upgraded to these Lamborghinis. I was gonna get the Chevrolets, but the Lamborghinis seemed perfect for today. Now it's about a, I don't know, quarter mile, half mile walk to the venue, and we're doing that now, but we gotta do the registration, all that fun stuff this morning. I did get a little bit of sunburn on my head from having that Camaro's top down all weekend, but whatever, that's fine. It's gonna be a good day. I'm very excited to go meet everybody, see all the new products, listen to everybody speak. So it's gonna be a good one. I will catch up with you guys once we're in the Expo hall and everything's going. So see you there. Well, we may or may not have gotten here a little bit late. As you can see behind me, guys, the line wraps around the building. So we definitely have a big turnout this year. I'm so excited to get in there and meet all the vendors, listen to all of our speakers, but it's probably gonna be about 20 minutes till we get in there. I thought I could get here in like 5. It turned out to be 15 because our hotel's on the back side of the venue. We had to walk all around it. So some people got in ahead of us. That's all right. We're gonna have a good time today. And hopefully this humidity doesn't kill me before we get in. I don't want my makeup to start running or anything. So see you guys in a minute. Well, guys, we finally made it into the venue. It is about 8:40, 8:45 now, so the opening ceremonies are going to get started, followed by, I think, Ken Berry speaking first. We got our awesome little KetoCon badges here. On the back, it's got the things for the scavenger hunt, but I find it kind of lame because, like, some of them you had to, like, pay extra for, like the entrepreneur session and the jazz concert, so we're definitely not going to be completing the scavenger hunt, but that's right, we're going to get as many of them as we can. As you can see behind me, the Expo hall is pretty full up. We got Monster Energy right there. I've only been through about half of it. It's a pretty big building, not as big as I've seen in Vegas, but it is going to be a good show, so I'm going to head over to the opening ceremony, see if I can catch a few clips of that, and then we're gonna go exploring.
We have, you can applaud yourselves, please. You make up a good professionalism. We have 114 vendors who are offering ridiculously awesome stuff. So if you haven't had a chance to hit every single booth, please do, because they're fantastic and they're wonderful to work with.
It's the coolest damn thing you ever had in your life. And you loved that Furby, and if you'd have had Instagram, you'd have posted a selfie of you and your Furby. Wouldn't you? But that's a fad. Now if somebody whipped out a Furby, we'd all be like, right? Sometimes we can have fad diets and they come and go all the time. But the biggest fad diet is the diet that the federal government has been recommending for us to eat. That is the biggest fad diet, and I'm going to show you some information so that you can understand this. I don't want you to ever think of the ketogenic, low-carb, carnivore diet as a fad. It's not a fad, okay? It's been around for hundreds of thousands of years. The fad diet has been around for the last 50 or 60 years. That is a fad. Thank you. Thank you. Let's try this. Who's heard of the grapefruit diet and the cabbage soup diet? You've done them right, you've done them. But then, obviously, the DASH diet by the American Heart Association, that should be based on good science, right? Sorry, not at all. The American Diabetes Association diet, that's got to have reams and reams of, oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't. They're fat diets and they're based on the 77 guidelines.
Everybody, day one here at KetoCon, and I'm here with Neil here from Peterson Farms, and he's going to tell you a little bit about his product here. I just tried some of their sausages. The spicy one is absolutely amazing, but he's going to give you some info on what it is, what goes into it, and everything like that.
We got bacon! Hey people, I just got to meet Tom and I made sure he was okay with having a little fun and hollering, because that's all I know. Cowboys, we had to holler back when we're gathering cattle. And I like people to know, we got bacon, we got sausage. You can go find it on the Simple Grocer, everything on there. Like Simple Grocer is a little bit of a different thing because we tell you blinking, asterisk, bold, this has sugar. Only. Every other thing pretty much has no sugar. So you can shop the Simple Grocer, find all kinds of products, meat products, sausage, bacon, ham. There's also ground grass-fed bison. There's grass-fed bison, grass-fed beef steaks. Anyways, I'm getting all tongue-tied because I'm so excited. Thomas, thank you so much for giving me a chance to say hi to your people and tell them a little bit about our products. Check us out on Instagram. I am The Cowboy Perspective. Our company is Peterson's Farms, and the online option is The Simple Grocer.
And honestly, guys, this stuff is amazing. There's a whole tray of their sausages right there. And I tried all of them that they've got available. Seriously delicious stuff. Check them out, guys. Alright guys, we are here with Jose, and he is with Intact Crunchy Cheese. It's kind of like a Moon Cheese competitor, but their flavors and flavor profiles are completely different. And I'm going to give him in a minute here just to kind of explain his products to you. I have tasted all the flavors they have available, and every one of them is delicious, but he can give you more information than me, so I'm going to hand it over to him.
Okay, thank you very much, Tom. Actually, what we're doing here is to invite the US customer to feel something different, a new experience in crunchy cheese. So what we do is very simple. We take the moisture of the cheese at very low temperature, and then we produce the effect that's called puff effect. And our ingredients are 100% natural ingredients, and we add or infuse the cheese with oregano, with the mild spicy mozzarella blue cheese, coming soon with blueberry, with onion, garlic. We never know which is the new generation of flavor, but today we have 4 flavors in the market you can find in Amazon with very good discount, and we are very happy with the keto community because they are a loyal customer in Tex-Mex.
Very good, high quality stuff, guys. Go ahead and check them out. They're on Amazon. I will put a link to them in the description of this video. Seriously, give them a buy, guys. It's definitely cheaper than Moon Cheese depending on the packet size. It seems like it ranges anywhere from $3.10 to about $3.50 a bag, and we'll go from there.
Thank you very much.
Well, everybody, it is the end of night 1 of KetoCon 2019. Still got 2 more days to go, but I want to go through some of the things that I got and all that. But real quick, first, shout out to Ben, the Primal Bro, for inviting me out to dinner tonight. Went to a little barbecue place. It was pretty good. Not the best barbecue that I've had in Texas so far, but this place was all right. And the best part about it was there must have been like 24 other keto influencers there, and it was just a really good time. Spoke to a lot of people that I've never talked to before, and honestly, I'm really bad about reaching out to other keto influencers because I'm never really sure what to say. Just like, hey, what's up? Like, I follow you, or, you know, whatever. It's kind of weird. So for me, that was pretty awesome to go hang out with people and hear their stories and see what they're doing. So shout out to all you guys that were there. If you were there, let me know in the comment section just so I can, you know, properly say what up, and everybody look down there to see who was there because it was really great. Now to get on to the haul for today. So first of all, did a lot of talking to businesses. I want to get more products to review on this channel. I want to see the things that you guys are interested in and check out the products that are on the market that some of you guys might be interested in buying. So that said, here are the business cards that I collected today. As you can see, there's a lot of them. They all have my card as well. Some of them are going to reach out to me and we're going to try to work something out to, you know, get some product to show you guys, because obviously I can't afford to always buy everything. And then we just kind of got a lot of stuff, you know, from the Keto Savage booth. We got ourselves some nice keto brick, a mini brick there, and a wristband, fat snacks, hooked it up with a bunch of stuff. One thing I'm really excited to try, there is a company called Starseed. And these guys like discovered this weird plant in the Amazon rainforest or something like that. It's South America. And it's called the Sacha Inchi. But they're the first people ever to break it to market. And it looks like let me see if it'll focus in on that. It almost looks like a nut of some form, but the macros on this are absolutely insane, guys. It's like for the 28 gram package, so 1 ounce, 180 calories, 14 grams of fat, let's see, 0 net carbs, 4 total carbs, and 9 grams of protein. So like for the ketogenic diet, this is awesome. And they're also making like oils out of this stuff and nut butters, or nut butter since it's technically a seed. Regardless, this is crazy. I'm so excited to try that and get my hands on some more of it. Another big shout out goes to Keto Coach. I went to their booth and I was just kind of looking at their products, and I pulled out my camera to kind of see if this actually showed up on film better, because you guys know when I have the Keto Mojo, I really struggle to show you guys kind of what the blood measurement is because of the type of LCD panel in there. So the guy was like, oh yeah, you know, if you need a new meter, like just take one. So he just handed me a box, and that was probably the coolest thing I've ever experienced. Where it was just like, hey, here is, you know, our product, give it a shot, and it's you know, gonna fit my needs a lot better. I also talked to a new blood manufacturer, that's our blood ketone reader manufacturer, that's gonna send me one. They're not even on the market yet, I believe, or they're new to market. And maybe tomorrow I'll shoot a clip with them and see if I can kind of get an interview to them to explain kind of why they're better. One thing I will note is that other company, I believe it was called iSense. Yeah, I just double checked. It was called iSense. It's spelled like that. So they were actually really awesome, and probably gonna hook me up. One thing I did like about them is with their kits, now you are paying $1 per test strip, which is the same thing as Keto Mojo, and it is about 40% more than you are with the Keto Coach, but they sent you a lancet for each test. Now, technically speaking, you are supposed to change the needle every time you prick your finger. A lot of them, they only send you a 10-pack with like 50 strips. While it's probably okay, and every diabetic that I know is always like, oh yeah, I never change my needles, I do like the fact that they are supplying you with the things that you are supposed to do. So that is cool. I can't wait to see that. And you know, maybe I'll do like a battle of the keto meters, since I have pretty much all of them now, and that would be really awesome. Another thing that I got into today was there's another crunchy cheese company, kind of like Moon Cheese, but not. And you guys probably just saw the interview I did with him with Intact, but the dude hooked it up. Like, there must be 15, 20 packs of these cheeses, and I didn't even know he was gonna do that. I shot that clip because, you know, I like the different alternative to Moon Cheese, and I kind of like the idea of a small company who's kind of really controlling their ingredients, whatever. It was really cool. And I turn around, his son's just holding this giant bag full of their product, and like, I mean, I can, like, seriously, it's insane. So I'll give some of that away. I haven't decided yet. I'll let you guys know what I want to do with it. But really good product and really cool people there. So another cool company that came across today was this Strong Coffee. Now, in a pinch, I think this would be great. There's like 5 grams of MCT in there. There's a bit of caffeine, and it's instant coffee, so you don't need to brew it. Now, it is 4 total carbs as far as I can tell, because they don't list like fibers or any of that other stuff on the label. But looking at the ingredients in there, it's actually not that bad for you. There's not really any like sweeteners or anything that I would avoid, so that's okay. I think it's great. And yeah, they're sweetening with monk fruit extract, which is awesome. So I'm very curious where the 4 net carbs comes from. Maybe they're not listing fiber, I'm not sure. But it was a pretty good coffee, and something instant that's quick and easy, like I can make on the go. That's really good too. So that's kind of our haul from night 1. I did go around and talk to a lot of vendors and just kind of feel out the market a little bit. There's still a ton more there to do. Didn't really want to vlog too much in the venue because it's super loud. This mic is very sensitive and you guys would hate me for it. But maybe that's something I'll try to do tomorrow. I'll try to get some people kind of in more breakout sessions and, you know, talk. What else happened today? Let's see. I met Jason Whitrock for the first time. Really, really cool dude. I took a picture with him. I'll put it on the screen now. Like, he was one of my big influences and idols. Same with Logan Delgado and Robert Sykes. They were big, you know, inspirations to me when I was getting going on keto and starting this channel. So meeting all of them was super awesome. So that's kind of gonna wrap up night 1. I kind of wanted to do this just to show you guys some of the stuff we got and some of the products that I'm interested in trying. I still have to do a review of that ice cream that I have in the freezer, but we have 3 more nights here in Austin, so I will do that eventually, I promise. But tonight, I gotta get some sleep, guys. It's 9:30, we were out at barbecue, just chit-chatting with other influencers, which was a fantastic time. But I gotta be up at like 7 to get back to the conference. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, as always guys, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, show us some love, and I will see you in the next one.